Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your first love bite of the month of July. Libra, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin. Let's see what wants to show through for you today. And welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for all your likes and your lovely comments. I'm very blessed to have you all here. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Okay, center of my spread, I have the 10 of Cups. All right. Things have stagnated in your connection, Libra, for now it seems. On your mind, I think, is the 10 of Cups. I think something had the potential of that, but some bad memories are created now in this connection, and it's kind of come to some kind of a ending. Maybe somebody didn't invest when the time was right, they never committed. They were not strong enough or something happened here, but I do see there's a Queen of Wands here in the upright who is getting over their stress and tension after they've been cheated. What I'm going to do, Libra, I'm going to do some dialogue message cards first, and then we'll clarify these cards one by one to see what the story is all about. So dialogue message cards. Okay, so Spirit, Libra and their person, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Libra and their person. And Libra, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, I'm available only the first half of this month. Second half I may not be doing personal readings, so if any of you need one, now would be a good time to reach out. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. Let's take a few from here. Libra and their person. Libra and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Libra and their person. You guys don't want to talk to each other, it seems. The cards are being very stubborn right now. Saying, do I really have to say something? I don't want to say anything. Okay, Libra and their person. Okay, all right, good to go. The first card here says, Libra, sorry. See, maybe I'm fumbling with my words as well. Your inconsistent behavior has caused my family to have concerns and trust issues regarding you. This has now created another barrier for us to navigate and overcome. My mind is racing and my heart is breaking with the doubts and insecurities your inconsistent behavior has created. Second message saying the same thing. I crave inner peace right now. My soul just feels unsettled. So I think this is this Queen of Wands who's saying, I want peace, I don't want to think about this, and somebody's been very inconsistent here. I feel so guilty when I'm intimate with anyone else. During sex, all I can ever think about is you. I get so high thinking of you, and it's only ever you that makes me orgasm. No wonder there was inconsistencies, Libra, if somebody was doing things on the side and maybe showing off to their partner. I wish that you were here or I was there. I wish we were together anywhere. I admire you, I care about you, I trust you, I respect you, and I love you unconditionally. You are my true love. Maybe a bit too late, maybe these messages. I didn't think it was possible to feel this much. Thoughts of you fill my head. Yes, maybe they didn't understand love when the time was right, and now they're thinking, hey, I never realized that even I could fall in love, but now I think somebody else has kind of given up on them. You seem distant, see? You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. My intuition was correct, Libra. I didn't have the courage to tell you. All right, so Libra, if these messages are resonating with you, let's see now what's happening here. But first, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have to say about this reading, and then we'll begin, okay? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra, please, Spirit. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Be brave. Somebody needs to, yes, like this last card said, I didn't have the courage to tell you. The Spirit is urging this person to have the courage. Be brave and go get what you want, otherwise you're going to lose it. Courage. Okay. So now let's start with the reading. Let's see what's going on here, Libra. 7 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. 7 of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody is feeling they lost. Yeah, they didn't fight for a connection. Yeah, somebody stopped fighting for this connection. Somebody says, hey, I'm not spending any more time, energy, resources, emotions, nothing. I'm not interested anymore. Second time this card has come up. I think this is about this Queen of Wands. So this could be you, Libra. This could be your cross watchers read. I don't know. But there is a Queen of Wands here who's adamant about getting out of being stuck in their head. Enough is enough. I have no more time, energy to spend on, investments which go nowhere. I've already wasted enough time and energy with somebody's inconsistent behavior. I'm not going to be part of their competition. If they want me to compete for them and they are going to go and have sex with so-and-so, and think about me, well, that's not good enough. I'm the Queen of Wands, right? Either you want me or you don't, otherwise I'm getting out of here. I'm putting an end to this connection. Which means end of a commitment. Hierophant in reverse. Hierophant in reverse. What's the Spirit? Why is the Hierophant in reverse? Yeah, this Queen of Wands is saying that yes, this person is only offering me fun, friends with benefits. Look at this. Friends with benefits and no commitment. There is no strength in this connection, and this kind of a connection I'm not interested in. Strength in reverse, Spirit. Strength in reverse. Strength in reverse. Yeah, somebody is making a choice and a decision. Maybe they've been waiting for a long time for somebody else to come at par, but now that there is no movement coming from their end, they haven't reached out for reconciliation. I think this Queen of Wands is making a choice and a decision, firm decision, to move off and jump off that cliff and have a brand new beginning for themselves. They feel this connection is not strong enough. They feel their partner does not have the courage. They are weak. Now this beautiful connection, the soulmate connection, you guys could have been friends for a very long time, or when you met it felt like you've known each other for lifetimes. This connection has now some very bad memories attached to it. Yes, why? Because this 10 of Cups, which was a possibility in the past, Libra, is now in reverse. Somebody is losing hope that this can ever come into fruition, and now things are totally ruined, and this calls for an ending of a relationship. If there is nothing to grow, then what's the point? That's what this Queen of Wands is trying to say. That if what's the point of being in a connection? What's the point of a friendship where it never grows into anything? 10 of Cups, Spirit. 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. Yes, somebody knows that they have to make a choice to completely end the situation, even though it hurts them to do so. There's a lot of sadness and regret for all the wasted time, emotions. There was love here at one point, I think, but because of somebody's inconsistent behavior and lack of commitment or whatever, I think this connection is gone. And whoever is making that choice now to call it quits now does feel bad. They do feel bad that, what was the point of all this? We had such a strong chemistry together. There was love, at least from my part, let's say, there was love, there was everything. But I never felt it coming from them. I felt no emotions coming from them. Death card, Spirit. Death card. Somebody is dropping this connection here, Libra. Somebody is totally giving up and dropping this connection now. One more card, Spirit, for the Death card. Why are they dropping this connection? Why are they putting an end to this connection? Yes, this person has decided to walk away, Libra. They're leaving all these 8 empty cups. They've never been emotionally happy in this connection. They're deciding to take a leap of faith and be that fool and go on for a fresh new beginning elsewhere, maybe trying to find their own 2 of cups, because these ones didn't work out for them. Once again, I must repeat, this could be you, Libra. This could be your cross-watcher who's walked away or walking away from you. Somebody doesn't want to now stay in the situation where they are always stressed out. This person, this Queen of Wands, always felt they were alone in this situation. Now look at this card carefully. There's nobody else in the picture, right? It's them with their swords, which means thinking, always wondering where this connection is going. Will it ever fructify? Where are they? What are they doing? What did they mean by that? Why haven't they texted? I mean, all these thoughts were like in their mind all the time. And somebody has decided, I don't have time for this anymore. I've already wasted too much time, so much of past time, effort, energy, emotions, all drained out. And there's no point thinking about this. I might as well get out of this and charge forward with my own life. 8 of Swords in reverse. Yes, they feel they were dealing with somebody who was a false emperor in their life, somebody who was very controlling, somebody who wanted to direct this connection. They always wanted to feel bigger and better, even though maybe they were insecure about themselves, and they found this Queen of Wands very attractive and they were trying to pull her down or something like that. This Queen of Wands is decided, I can't deal with the people who are going to be narcissistic or controlling or trying to just kind of control me. So this Queen of Wands is now turned their back and is now probably looking out to see what else is out there. This Queen of Wands has now got their mojo back. They've decided it's me for me and myself, and all this time I think this person has also picked themselves up and they are looking very good. They are probably chasing their own dreams, their own passion, probably attracting a lot of attention as well, and their self-confidence is at a super high right now. So Queen of Wands, Spirit. Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands. Yes, this Queen of Wands is looking for their perfect match. They want somebody who is actually going to step up to the plate, the person who they can who can be trustworthy, who can take responsibility. They are ending the past situation to look for somebody who they feel will be the correct person for them, somebody who's put together, somebody who's not who's trying to control them, who's very satisfied and abundant in their own life, so they don't have to look at this Queen of Wands to always pull her down. So yes, this Queen of Wands is making a decision that I'm going to end this last chapter. I've been very badly betrayed here and I've wasted too much time, energy. All 10 swords, it takes a long time for 10 swords, right? So that's a lot of patience this Queen of Wands has shown for a very long time. But now they feel the chapter is over. I'm not going to allow any more emotional abuse, and I'm going to move forward to find somebody who can match my energy, somebody I can respect. So 7 of Swords, Spirit. Now what is this? 7 of Swords. 7 of Swords. Too many cards. This is an important card and you really need, because this is like not fitting in the rest of the reading. This has to have an important message. Spirit, I need to know why the Seven of Swords is here. Please clarify the Seven of Swords for me. Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords. Somebody is gaining the clarity here, Libra. I think the masculine energy, or the person, or maybe whoever the person was who was earlier behaving in a bad manner or not in their best, this person has, I think, gained some clarity about their own behavior, of how their cheating, lying behavior has caused them to lose out on a beautiful connection. They know that they've lost this Ten of Pentacles now. The Ten of Cups was in reverse, now the Ten of Pentacles is in reverse. So somebody actually, I think, even wants to come and talk to this person, but right now they are seeing their person. This King of Swords does want to talk, but they are right now seeing their person as single and not needing them anymore. They feel that the person has really glowed up and is successful and maybe has many eyes on them, and they are kind of feeling that they've probably lost their chance for this Ten of Pentacles, and they're also recognizing why. I still want to clarify this King of Swords. So King of Swords, Spirit, why is the King of Swords here? Why is the King of Swords here? This King of Swords wants to... Yes, this King of Swords is coming with a plea. Your Highness, may I have a conversation with you? I want to now put in the work. I want to have a balanced, equal relationship. This person wants to talk and offer now. They want to do the right thing. They want to put in the work. They want this balance to be brought back into this connection. And only because now they've recognized why this Ten of Pentacles is in reverse. Now they're recognizing why it never came into fruition. What happened here? The sneaking, lying, cheating behavior, it's all coming. It's like that clarity has come into this person. But the problem here is that this Queen of Wands is now the Queen of Pentacles. This Queen of Pentacles has gained so much of self-worth. Anything else, Spirit? Anything else? This person will come. This person has a lot of passion. They have their eye on this Queen of Pentacles. Things are stagnated at the moment, but they are watching. They may come in small, maybe just to have a talk or something, or maybe talk about work, maybe talk about not love, because they know that that's not the way they can get into this Queen of Pentacles. They know this Queen of Pentacles is very focused on their abundance and money or whatever. So they may come with an excuse to talk about, maybe a partnership where both of you can make money, or there was another card here which said the same thing. I don't know where it's gone now, but yeah, this is their plan now. Let's work together. Where did it go? This Eight of Pentacles was here, right? I've lost it somewhere. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, so they want to say, hey, I want to talk about some work with you. Do you want to work with me? We can have a lot of abundance, lot of equal give and take. They are going to come in with an offer. That's what they want, because now they're recognizing that there is absolutely no movement happening in this connection. They are realizing that somebody has now made a choice to drop them. So that's how they don't have the bravery right now also to come and really talk about emotions. At best, this person will call and talk about some work, from what I feel. So yes, this person, they know that person is an Empress now, because wherever this Queen of Wands goes, who's now the Empress, showing up as the Empress, they create abundance wherever they go. This is growth. And somebody is embarrassed and ashamed now to face this Empress because of their own sneaky behavior. So they're planning to maybe come forward with a different angle. to sneak back into this. Yeah, that's what this card also could mean. They want to sneak back into this Empress's good books. All right, so we'll see how it goes. And Libra, I'll do your next in-depth reading when we'll go into both your emotions and your person's emotions. Your next reading will be on Tuesday now. Till then, if you're not subscribed, please do now so you don't miss it. If you enjoyed the reading, love and light. Take care. Namaste.